Indonesian words you'll hear during Ramadan. Did you know? Many Ramadan words commonly used in Indonesia have diverse origins, from Arabic to local languages across the archipelago. Munggahan. The word munggahan comes from the Sundanese word munggah, which means to rise or increase. Munggahan has a symbolic meaning as an effort to improve spiritual quality before entering the holy month. This tradition is carried out by gathering, eating together, pilgrimage, and forgiveness a few days before Ramadan. Nyekar. In Javanese, sekar means flower. This tradition involves scattering flowers on graves as a form of prayer and respect. Ngabuburit. Ngabuburit comes from the Sundanese language, where burit means late afternoon. Ngabuburit is spending time waiting for iftar, a small moment that often becomes a big memory. Tajil, derived from the Arabic word tajil, which means to hasten. In Islamic teachings, it means to hasten breaking the fast. In Indonesia, its meaning has evolved to refer to light dishes for breaking the fast, from kolak to fried foods. Mudik. In Javanese, the word udik means village or upstream. Mudik means returning to one's hometown. It is not just a trip, but a return to one's roots. Lebaran, believed to originate from the Javanese language from the word lebar, which means finish or over. Lebaran marks the end of Ramadan, returning to one's natural state, forgiving one another. Every word has a story. Every story has cultural roots. On International Mother Language Day, we celebrate language as part of our identity.